Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts in Google Docs. First, open Google Docs. Next, click on the extensions menu at the top of the page and select add-ons from the drop-down menu. Then click on Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace window, use the search bar to look for Extensis fonts. Once you find Extensis fonts in the result, click on it. Then click the Install button. You will be prompted to choose a Google account for installation. Select your account and grant the necessary permission to proceed. After the installation is complete, return to your Google Docs document. Click on the Extensions menu again. Select Extensis Fonts and then click on Start. The Extensis Fonts panel will now appear on the right hand side of your document. Browse through the fonts in this panel to find the perfect one for your project. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.